motherfucker! Not a misunderstanding, not an accident. Just a moment when someone thinks they're above the law until reality pulls them back to the ground.
Center 2 stop at 538 Lee Street. Black Nissan Altima Mary item 6332.
You don't roll down?
You got your license on you? Yeah.
A suspended driver stayed put in a black Nissan Altima, thinking calm hands could fool Atlanta police.
You said it do roll down? Yeah. Okay. Do me a favor with the car and just roll the window down. He's doing a traffic stop.
I got you. Okay.
Appreciate it. Out, 3.
Appreciate you.
Okay, 420 out, 3. Once you pull it, do you know?
You know your license suspended?
Hey, get your hand on. Hey, get your hand.
Hold on. Nope, don't do that. No, don't start. Don't. On the ground. On the fucking ground.
Then he bolted. Taser fired. Cuffs locked.
Turn over! Turn over! Turn over! Turn over now! Turn over! Stay the fuck down! Fucking ground. Give me your goddamn hands now!
Put your hand behind your back, bro.
Give me your other hand.
Final result, an unwilling delivery guy, handing illegal goods straight to law enforcement.
Sir, you headed in the opposite direction of traffic.
A suspect blasted down a sun-soaked highway, trusting a white truck to outrun police. Then the PIT spun everything sideways. Smoke, control, a flash that ended the chase.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Do not move! Watch his hands!
From Highway King to a full stop in seconds, in daylight.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Julie 34 flight, take off from me. Get out of the car! Hey! Out of the car! Out of the car!
A woman stayed parked in Florida, repeating, "Just a second, and I'm scared," thinking tears could stall a warrant.
Stop reaching!
I'm not.
Stop reaching! Get out of the car!
Grab me! I'm scared.
Okay, get out of the car. Put your hands behind your back.
Please, I need to tell my partner.
Stop. No, put your hands behind your back. Stop. You're going to get tased. Do you want to get tased?
No, you don't need to do that.
Okay. No, you're not listening. Put your hands behind your back. You got a warrant out of Vermont.
Simple.
Then the door opened. Cuffs clicked. She still tried to run.
Ow, my wrist, my wrist.
Okay, then you shouldn't have ran.
Sorry, I'm scared.
Instant consequences. A fresh charge on the spot, and a longer record under the burning sun. Late at night in the UK, a crowd surrounded a police car, convinced numbers would force officers to back off. Then the situation escalated as officers faced a hostile crowd. Everything flipped. Chaos spread fast. From crowd courage to scattered footsteps in seconds.
Hey, you can't be out here. Hey, you can't be out here. Get in the car. You can't be out here. Get in the car. Come on.
On an airport runway, she argued with security, convinced words could talk her out.
Hey, get in the car.
Then she turned and ran back toward the plane just a few steps. stopped from behind.
Shot at swinging! Shot at swinging! Shot at swinging!
Clear ending. A freedom sprint grounded on concrete.
What was the issue? It's okay.
Now you just had a wreck. Get out the car!
In a packed parking lot, she floored a silver SUV, convinced speed could slip past the police.
She's not gonna make it far.
A crash followed. Smoke filled the air. The door was yanked open. Officers rushed in, holding her face down on the pavement.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do it, sir.
You just tried to kill 10 people.
No, I didn't.
Alex, what's happening?
Sir, stop! Stop!
The escape fantasy stopped right there.
Why have you done? Stop! Stop! I didn't do it.
It won't fit.
He's not stopping. We're going to be going northbound. In the Heffron right now.
A road rage suspect in Wisconsin charged an officer with fists clenched, convinced aggression would make police back off.
We're stopped at Heffron right now. Iris, stop initiated.
Stop right there! Stop right there! You want to show me up?
Then everything flipped. The taser fired. He hit the pavement.
Taser deployed!
Put your back! Put your taser behind your back now! Put your taser back! Get on your stomach now! Get on your stomach now!
A rush of roll-over commands ended a toughness act that lasted seconds.
Stop going.
In the middle of a Walmart aisle, the suspect sat on the floor, convinced refusing commands could stall Cleveland police surrounding her.
Stop! Turn around! Turn around!
Moments later, she was pulled up, repositioned, and made to stand. The shopping trip ended with a quiet walkout escorted by officers.
Don't move! Don't move!
It's their property.
Goddamn bitch, I'm over here.
And it's their property that...
Goddamn fucking ass. Bitch, don't you with me.
Please
Goddamn
get in your
dirty
car.
bitch. What?
Get in your car and drive away. Yes, you are. They own this road. They own this road.
They own the road, they own this goddamn motherfucker. This city own this
They own this
goddamn
road.
You a motherfucking lie.
Okay, get in your car and drive away.
Standing in the middle of the road, she shouted about owning the street, cursed nonstop, and refused to give her hands, convinced volume would make police back
They
off.
chilling our shit, bitch. Let me tell you something. Oh no, 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 no.
Too late.
Wait.
Hold on, you're on my thing.
Stop resisting.
Wait, I'm not
No, you
wait.
did this again. Give us your arm.
No.
Give us your arm.
No.
Give us your arm.
Help. Help.
Give us your arm.
Help.
Then the officer stepped in, grabbed her arm, counted it out. 1, 2, 3, go. From street queen to an unwilling backseat passenger in seconds.
Turn around and give us your arm. Give us one arm.
Wait.
Holding a knife, the suspect walked straight toward police, ignoring repeated shouts to drop it, convinced hesitation could scare them off. In a split second, tactical measures ended the threat instantly. The standoff ended abruptly faster than anyone expected.
Mom's Nick, man, you tried to get me. You're next time I see you, I'm being gun playing a red bullet. You don't touch me.
Put your hands behind. Don't go back.
A 17-year-old stayed planted inside the house, shouting with a defiant stare, convinced drama could flip the situation in Virginia.
So you
Put
did.
your hands behind
You
your back.
choked me. You choked me. This is police brutality. Police brutality.
636, have him step up.
The command came short and cold. Get on the ground right now. Lesson hits hard. Emotions don't outrank compliance, and the law always ends the argument.
Get on the ground.
Please move down.
A crowd dressed in white rushed in across a U.S. neighborhood, convinced sheer numbers would crown them street bosses. Fists flew, chaos erupted, and officers went down on grass and pavement under relentless attacks. Lesson learned: the mob may feel powerful today, but records and cell doors are already waiting. In a crowded hallway, an ICE's agent flashed paperwork and argued, convinced shoving the woman with the bag would end it fast. Phones went up, the crowd closed in. Uniformed officers rushed over and pinned him face down on the floor. Reality flipped. There's no private stage in public, and cameras always recast the lead. A suspect floored it past 100 miles per hour on a Wisconsin roadway, convinced a high-speed chase would crown him king of the streets. Moments later, an 80 mph rear-end collision sent both cars spinning into a wall. Metal crumpled everywhere. Lesson delivered: speed doesn't hand out crowns. Its speed doesn't hand out crowns. It leaves you facing the reality of a life-altering mistake.